If you've ever stood in the fabric aisle at Hobby Lobby and thought, this is pretty, but what clothes can I make with it? This video is for you. I already shopped my personal stash for what fabric would go great with our current $5 Woven Wonders pattern features, but there's always room for a little more fabric, isn't there? So if you have a Hobby Lobby close to you, this might be helpful for you as I pair up the patterns in our current feature collection with what's available at Hobby Lobby. The easiest pattern to find fabric for at Hobby Lobby is Tambour. It's perfect for quilting cotton. So if you're looking for something that's really easy to cut, easy to press, easier to sew, Tambour plus a quilting cotton is a great idea. And there's lots of prints that are really cute at Hobby Lobby right now for this pattern. You could also sew tempo sundress in a quilting cotton, but the Hobby Lobby selection of apparel fabrics has also increased over the years. So let's take a look at what they've got there. Their linen stash is actually pretty decent at Hobby Lobby. They have quite a few different blends and some whole linen pieces in varying different price points, which I think are great. They even have a linen slub that's like a rayon linen slub that feels really nice that I would consider using for tempo sundress, as well as for allegros and even potentially for a really nice pair of duet trousers. I wonder what other colorways they have of these types of fabric in maybe other stores, because white, of course, does scare me, but they have a lot of other different linen and linen blends inside this particular store. Let's talk about some drapey wovens that are great for Rhapsody blouse and dress. Right away, I found this beautiful drapey chiffon floral with this purple and green print. I thought of it initially for Tambour, but I think it would be really beautiful for Rhapsody. I think this fabric might be a little bit more difficult to sew since it is so slippery, but I think the results will be great. I ended up purchasing this fabric and I can't wait to show you how my final make looks. There were a lot of other lightweight, silky or satiny or crepey, different lightweight wovens there that would work great for Rhapsody, and they would also work great for Tempo and Tambour as well. Just keep in mind that when you're working with a lightweight, slippery woven, it can be a little bit more on the challenging side. In fact, the lady at the counter, as she was cutting my chiffon fabric, was like, "How long have you been sewing?" And kind of feeling out to see if I could handle this. So we'll see how it turns out. Allegro bottoms are another one of our woven wonders, and there are several pieces that we could work with here. I think that linen would be wonderful for this pattern. And I did pick up a cut of linen that I think would be beautiful to match with that chiffon. But I also did see a double cotton gauze that would be lovely. I think could see this as the maxi length skirt, shorts, knee length skirt, lots of options here with Allegro. To be really honest, there wasn't a ton of fabric options for the duet trousers. So Hobby Lobby, if you're listening, this is a great opportunity for you to start carrying some more bottom weight appropriate trouser fabric. For duet, I think that the linen would be a great option, and maybe some of the denim selections that they had here as far as fabric at the Hobby Lobby apparel section. This ditzy floral is cute, but I could see it better as a tempo sundress rather than a pair of duet trousers. A few other denims were available. There was this stretch denim, which I think might work well, but I didn't really like the colorways of any of these. So again, Hobby Lobby, here is a little bit of a call out to improve your denim and bottom weight fabric selections for apparel. I think we all can agree that one of the biggest hurdles with woven sewing isn't actually the sewing part, it's the choosing the fabric. So hopefully these pairings make walking through the fabric store a little bit less overwhelming. Make sure you check out the current Woven Wonders feature collection where all of these patterns are just $5 for the digital version for a limited time. Let me know in the comments, which fabric would you pair with which pattern?